Just a little tab you're gonna push down right there. I think it was about 40 bucks if I remember correctly. Lube first. Alright, so we're gonna fix Rebel today. So it's got a trouble code for Evap, small Evap leak is what it comes up when you search the trouble code. So I did a bit of research and they say that's the Evap purge sensor. So I went ahead and got that. It's a pretty easy job to change. Just right on top of the engine, don't really have to take a whole lot apart. And yeah, we'll get that changed and hopefully that fixes the check engine light. Because like you probably know, with the check engine light on, your remote start doesn't really work. It'll kind of run for a couple seconds, whatever turns off. And that's been a pain in the ass. Now it's starting to get cold, winter's coming. So we'll pop the hood, we'll take a look, and we'll get this on there. So two 10mm bolts and the engine cover comes off. One right here that you can see, and one down in this hole. And then it's just two plugs in the back that you're going to kind of pull out. So it's just right here behind the intake. So first, it's held on by this kind of rubber boot here. Sticks onto that rubber tab, the metal tab, the rubber boot slips over it. First thing I think you're going to want to disconnect is probably this here, and you're just going to separate, sorry, blocking the light. Just going to separate these two tabs here, two little white tabs, and that clip's going to kind of pop out. And I think this should pop off. It has to come right out. There we go. And I'll give us enough slack to get this off. Just gotta do it in one hand here. And this wire connector in the back. It's just a little tab you're gonna push down right there. Once that wire's off, just got this little hose here to deal with. Just gonna kind of twist and pull that off. Okay. So I don't imagine there being anything I can visually see wrong with it. But I'm going to kind of look at it and see how much cheaper the Amazon part looks, kind of thing. It's cleaner. But yeah, it looks like the right one. Comes with the rubber boot. I was wondering if it would come with that or not. Yeah, let's get it on. Let's get it on! So the hood's aluminum, I'll just stick this up there, but maybe you can see something there. Okay, so there's a little tab that you can line up with the groove and the connector. Put this back on. Maybe spit on it first. Probably should spit on it. Put some lube first. Everything needs a little lube first. There we go, that's that. And that should fix that. A little luck maybe. So there's a little luck I guess in the Amazon part. I don't know, I think it was 40 bucks if I remember correctly. I'll take a look and I'll put in a price. But I think it was about 40 bucks if I remember correctly. I will keep the old one just so I can get the part number if I need that. And I'll also let you know if this does work. I'll see the more if my check engine light goes off, or I'll delete the code and I'll see if it comes back. I'll probably won't post the video for a week or two anyways. Okay, so good news on the purge valve there. The check engine light didn't go away on its own. I waited maybe a week, couple days at least, can't really remember now. But it didn't go away, so then I deleted it myself. So if you have some way to delete yourself, that's good. But if not, you probably have to go into the dealer to get the code deleted if you want to get rid of that check engine light. That did fix it after I deleted. I've deleted it before, it just came back. I deleted it, and it's probably been well over a month now, and it hasn't came back. And we've got snow now, as you can see. I don't have the heat on here right now, so we got ice in the window. Give you an idea how cold it is outside. I think it's like minus 25 Celsius, something like that today. So it's good to have the electric start. So yeah, that did solve that. That one's yours.
I know it's mine thing.
Give her shit, it'll go.
I was! That's how I got in this fucking position.
Keep giving her. Go, go, give her.
Oh, this sucks.
Your electric start.
Oh, hi. I know, I knew this was gonna happen. I just want a tree. I don't want to dig myself out 100 times.
Go into second. Wait, hold on.
What do you do, my little finger?
Second gear, Doug. That's first, isn't it? There you go.
That's the guy.
Which way do you want to go?
I want to go home. I'm cold. This isn't fun.
You're ready to go now, eh?
Home.
No, it's not on yet. Take a second. I think we're good. I don't know if we're gonna make it though. Doug, wait, fuck. Thanks again for watching. Lube first.